Discover Tasmania's amazing east coast with Avion Wilderness Tours. Departing from our base at Cambridge, we head to the stunning Freycinet National Park. Be mesmerised by the world-famous Wineglass Bay. Heading down the coast, we land at Maria Island to explore the natural beauty and pristine beaches of this East Coast jewel. Whilst getting up close and personal with a Noah's Ark of wildlife. To finish this incredible experience, we fly the coastline back to Hobart. Avion's Wineglass and Wildlife Experience, the perfect way to see the best of Tasmania.